channel. Meet the cockatiel, a very charming and popular pet bird. Native to Australia, they belong from the parrot family. They even distinct crests and have cheerful whistles. They are intelligent, social and love to spend time with their humans. With care, cockatiels could live up to 15 to 20 years, making them a lifelong companion. So friends, my cockatiel names are Willow and Clover. Patu, patu. If you had a chance to adopt a cockatiel, will you adopt a cockatiel or will you not? Please comment in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.